Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're diving into a unique coffee experience, Vietnamese egg coffee. Vietnamese egg coffee, or Phê Trứng, is a delicious blend of robust Vietnamese coffee and a creamy, eggy foam. It originated in Hanoi during the 1940s when milk was scarce, and inventive baristas turned to egg yolks for that creamy touch. To make this at home, you'll need 2 tablespoons of Vietnamese coffee, 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, boiling water. First, brew a strong cup of Vietnamese coffee. Meanwhile, whisk the egg yolk with condensed milk until it's light and frothy. Pour the hot coffee into a cup, then gently spoon the egg mixture on top. The hot coffee cooks the egg slightly, creating a velvety foam. For an extra twist, you can optionally add a pinch of cinnamon or cardamom to the egg mixture for a delightful spice infusion. And there you have it, a cup of rich, creamy Vietnamese egg coffee, perfect for a cozy morning or an afternoon pick-me-up. Thanks for watching Tea and Coffee Explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Enjoy your brew!